Alright guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be making a pork roast, and we're going to be making some pulled pork and making that into barbecued pork. And it's really simple to do. It's basically you turn it on and forget it. So I absolutely love doing this, especially if I have a long day at work and then I can come home and it's ready to go and you don't have to do much with it. So I'm going to show you guys how to do this, and let's get started. Alright guys, so here I got my pork in my crock pot already, and now all we gotta do is season it. And what I'm gonna use is salt and pepper, garlic powder, onion powder. Very easy to do. All you do, put your salt and pepper on it. Then we're gonna put our garlic powder. And then our onion powder on there. Now another important thing is make sure we flip it over and do the other side. That's very important. Now other types of meat you can use to do this is you can use pork butt, pork shoulder, bone in, bone out, whatever you want to use. I have a pork butt right now and this is the bone out. Salt and pepper. Make sure you season this very heavily because you need that seasoning to penetrate into the meat. And then we're going to flip it back over so the fat side's down so it cooks that fat. And that's it guys, so just set your crock pot to low heat, and because mine has warm, low, and high. So you just want to set it on low heat for 8 hours at least, up to 12 hours. So we're going to get this started and I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. Alright guys, it has been approximately about 9 hours since I left this pork in my crock pot. And the way to tell if it's done, we're going to open it up here, is really simple. So it's really hot, so what you do is you stick your tongs in there and look at that, it comes right apart. That's what you want. Look at that, it's coming right apart easily. That's what you want. If it doesn't come apart like that very easily, let it sit in there for another hour, then check it again. I'm gonna try some of this. Holy cow, this came out awesome. So what we want to do now is we want to take this out of here, and we just start taking the pieces out. Oh my god, look at that, it's just falling all apart. That is what you want guys. We're gonna put it in our little pan here. You guys can put this on like a baking sheet or whatever, just put it somewhere so it's out of your pot here. Alright guys, so once you get your pork out of there, we're gonna want to dice this up a little bit, just squish it down so you have pulled pork. That's all you want to do, is just keep smushing a little bit and it'll become shredded pork. Very easy. You just want it to separate, that's all. And if it's cooked long enough, it will. Alright guys, so now what I'm going to do with this today, I'm going to add some barbecue sauce to it, and then I'm just going to put it on a bun, and that's it. And just have pulled barbecued pork sandwiches. That's all you have to do. And you can use this for tacos, you can use this for whatever you guys like to use it for. So be creative with it, do whatever you want. So you guys can use your favorite barbecue sauce you guys like. I absolutely love Sweet Baby Ray's. This stuff is really good and I love it. So I'm going to use that in my pork today. Mix all up and you guys have barbecued pork. Try this here. Wow, this is really good guys. I really hope you guys make your pork. Again, this is something simple, easy you can do. And you just let it be in the crock pot for 9 hours or 8 hours or 12 if it's bigger. And that's it guys. Alright guys, that is how you make barbecued pulled pork. Now, it's real easy, you know, like I said, we let it sit for almost 8 hours, at least 8 hours. You know, the more time, the better. As long as when you go in there to pick it up, it's falling off the bone. That's what you want. So I hope you guys really like this video. Give it a big thumbs up. Also, if you're stopping in for the first time, please hit that subscribe button right there. And you guys have an awesome day.